Chief Minister Nongtomam Birend launches Chief Minister's menstrual hygiene scheme and Chief Minister Gi Mitki Lying to improve healthcare services in the state. Chief Minister Nongtomam Birend warns environmentalists, NGO and activists who received a foreign fund under false pretext of conserving Loktak Meek. Rural Development and Panchayati Raj Government of Manipur starts using computerized system in job recruitment initiative taken under RDPR Minister Y. Khemchand to keep a check on corruption. And death toll in Hajj tragedy in the Saran district of Bihar mourns the 39th. Senior BJP leader Sushil Kumar Modi alleges over 1,000 people lost lives in Bihar due to spurious liquor after prohibition. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English Bulletin and I'm KANEL SHAMBANDURAM bringing you the top stories and latest news at this hour. Now, the news in details. Chief Minister Nongtomam Birend today launched Chief Minister's Menstrual Hygiene Scheme CMMHS and Chief Minister Gi Mitki Lying CMML. The initiative is a part of government's measures to improve healthcare services. The Chief Minister also launched a mobile ophthalmic bus and advanced life support ambulance for CMMLA scheme during the program, which was jointly organized by Directorate of Health Services Manipur and State Health Society NHM Manipur and at Wangkai High School in Imphal. Speaking on the occasion, Chief Minister said government planned to expand the Chief Minister's Menstrual Hygiene Scheme CMMHS to all the educational institutions in the state while maintaining that state government has been giving emphasis to healthcare and education sector. Nongtomam Birend said that documents have been furnished to center so that all 275 government schools with higher secondary levels will have their school building upgraded under Prime Minister Divine Scheme. He also maintained that about 3 lakh individuals from 800 villages have been covered under CM's Health for All scheme and they have benefited with free tests and free medicines, free treatment under the scheme. Chief Minister Nongtomam Birend also highlighted that government plans to open more gyms across the state. He also urged people to take care against various health challenges posed by changing climates due to global warming. Chief Minister Nongtomam Birend also revealed that picture of Prime Minister Narendra Modi will be displayed in every program organized by government department as acknowledgement for taking the country forward under his leadership.
Any Manipuri department could whatever we are achieving today, state government achieved with the guidance and the help of the Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji. The visionary way. We hero worshipping leader must me could leader will be away. Hero worshipping is a Ipaipu Akataki Orgalapane. I don't Ipaipu Miami Muti Saran Sequena Lake. Any department, any curriculum Potomatum to go. We should regard him.
Also speaking on the occasion, Health Minister Dr. S. Ranjan said an eye bank will be established in the state within 1 or 2 months in order to facilitate cornea transplant, while maintaining that many states in the country are appreciating Chief Minister Health for All scheme. Dr. S. Ranjan urged all health workers to ensure that benefits under the scheme reaches the last mile and cover every nook and corner of the state so that people of the state can live a healthy life. Speaker of Manipur Legislative Assembly T.S. Satyavartha and Education Minister T.H. Vasanta were among others who attended the program.
Akoina ngasi launch tawjariba Chief Minister's Menstrual Hygiene Scheme. Hawkiba chahi ama ani dagi Honorable Chief Minister na. Menstrual hygiene is angang jing the kamaina sige hygiene laina na bedamuk ta karam mamom da sige hadana Honorable Chief Minister na munna khallaba matung sige menstrual hygiene scheme wakal lambi conceive tawgibani sigi kenosi hojik schools hawdokpada khara schools khara da hawdo district khuding schools khara da hawdo go honorable chief minister ke meeting makhada successful na Manipur ki schools khuding makta successful.
Chief Minister Nongthombam Birane today warned environmentalists, NGO and activists who received foreign funds under false pretext of conserving Loktak Lake but in reality existing only to earn money by acting as channeled for foreign funds. Chief Minister made it clear that one cannot save or conserve the environment by mere filing of some illegal cases to court and declaring oneself as environmentalist in media platforms. One needs to be a field expert in order to become a true environmentalist and activist. He also criticized those NGOs and activists who are trying to mislead the scientists of Asian Development Bank who came to inspect developmental projects in Loktak Lake by instigating local fish farmers. Chief Minister said this while attending a winter crop seed distribution program at Darbar Hall in Chief Minister's Secretariat. Winter crop sheets were distributed to 17 producer companies to benefit farmers in finding alternative means and against jhum cultivation and poppy plantation in 9 hill districts of the state. The program was organized by Eastern Border Area Development Authority (EBADA) under the aegis of Northeastern Council. While pointing out the climatic changes caused by global warming in the state, Chief Minister said this poses huge threat to survival of coming generations. If we do not work to solve this issue, it will have a disastrous consequences. Nongthombam Birane said that state government is making efforts to plant more beneficial fruits and crops in order to prevent mass deforestation for poppy plantation. Speaking about the Loktak Lake, Chief Minister said that scientists of Asian Development Bank are here to assess the viability for providing funds in various developmental projects in Loktak Lake, considering the importance and historical significance of Loktak Lake to people of Manipur. He asserted that they are here to study how benefits can be provided to fishermen of the area and also to assess how Ithai Barrage can be effectively utilized. MP Lese Masana Jauba and Horticulture Minister Letpao Hakib also attended the program.
Court case tauraga adagi media da environmentalist oiraga prithvi kan mangamoi environmentalist oige di field oigadaba activist oige hare di field oigadaba prithvi gi oina choma body ema lakna sida numit manga tarani game tauraga yengba study horba kanda insel laga yelan ba hore moisi mahik society ki mahik ko masagi individuals NGO khara chalairaga foreign funding lorga Bharat pu destabilize tawna bhonaba Manipur pu destabilize tawna bhonaba adugumba NGO sing ya akoi lem tharoi.
The Rural Development and Panchayati Raj Government of Manipur has started using computerized system in job recruitment. The initiative was taken under RD and PR Minister Yumnam Khemchand with an objective to keep a check on corruption during recruitment of government jobs. Practical exam for direct recruitment of contract basis office assistants and stenographers for DRDA wing, RD and PR department was conducted today at Imphal DC complex. Practical examination for both posts were conducted through computerized systems, testing the computer typing speed and accuracy of candidates. Candidates were also given the opportunity to check the marks they secured right after the examination. Minister Y. Khemchand along with relevant officials inspected the examination center to ensure that the examination is carried out successfully. Speaking to media, candidates who gave the exam expressed happiness that they were given the privilege to check their mark. They also expressed contentment that the government is now maintaining fairness in job recruitment. They said admit card for the recruitment exam were given on time and the written exam was also held on time.
I post office assistant apply to examine again Mina Salan Diasagar Singh like from the quiet hill again. Typing test or which about the computer test about the quick shaggy marks when print out Toraga with Shading Halecom. See, I'm saying why I transparency heli. I don't see it even I was surprised cannot talk the result quick written test. Kayamada Peshapi that they can do corruption in Tanasum Hina was the Ishabok result, Yambatam the covering from the York for the shot surprise on the government assume credit or Ibra have to conserve on the power, but still, question Mamma have the final result I looked to in Naman the Kaiton River. I don't think but Hosbokir stage I'm still satisfied on transparency am lain tawa have the hajage.
ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯅꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏ ꯍꯟꯗꯛꯀꯤ ꯑꯦꯛꯖꯥꯝꯁꯦ ꯀꯣ ꯍꯥꯟꯅꯗꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯠꯀꯤ ꯑꯦꯛꯖꯥꯝꯁꯦ ꯇꯁꯦꯡꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯕꯗ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯄꯔꯤꯈꯥ ꯊꯥꯗ꯭ꯔꯤꯉꯩꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯦꯃꯤꯠ ꯀꯥꯔꯗ ꯊꯣꯔꯛꯄꯗꯤ ꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯄꯩꯁꯥ ꯄꯤꯗ꯭ꯔꯗꯤ ꯐꯪꯉꯔꯣꯏꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯈꯜꯂꯦꯗꯅ ꯍꯟꯗꯛꯀꯤꯗꯤ ꯃꯇꯝ ꯆꯥꯅ ꯑꯦꯃꯤꯠ ꯀꯥꯔꯗ ꯂꯥꯛꯑꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯔꯤꯇꯟ ꯑꯦꯛꯖꯥꯝ ꯇꯧꯕꯗꯨꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯐꯦꯌꯔ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯄꯩꯁꯥ ꯑꯝꯇ ꯄꯤꯗꯅ ꯔꯤꯖꯜ ꯊꯣꯔꯛꯄꯗꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯉꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯇꯦꯁꯀꯤꯗꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯈꯤꯕꯗꯣ ꯀꯗꯥꯏꯗ ꯁꯣꯏꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯏꯁꯥꯅ ꯈꯪꯖꯕ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯥꯟꯁꯄꯦꯔꯦꯟꯁꯤ ꯂꯩꯅ ꯔꯤꯖꯜ ꯈꯨꯗꯛꯇ ꯐꯪꯕꯗꯣ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯖꯩ
ꯍꯟꯗꯛꯀꯤꯁꯤꯁꯦ ꯈꯔ ꯅꯤꯌꯣꯝ ꯆꯨꯝꯅ ꯇꯧꯈꯤꯕꯁꯦ ꯈꯔ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯕ ꯐꯥꯎꯋꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯗ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯨ ꯏꯁꯨ ꯑꯝꯇ ꯂꯥꯛꯈꯤꯗꯦ ꯃꯇꯝ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯦꯃꯤꯠ ꯀꯥꯔꯗꯁꯨ ꯁꯠ ꯃꯇꯝ ꯆꯥꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯇꯥꯏꯝꯂꯤ ꯄꯤꯔꯛꯈꯤꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯅꯣꯇꯤꯁꯁꯨ ꯁꯤ ꯁꯦꯂꯦꯛꯇꯦꯗ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯨꯗꯦꯟꯁ ꯊꯣꯛꯂꯛꯑꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯒ ꯈꯕꯔꯗ ꯐꯖꯅ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯐꯖꯅ ꯎꯕ ꯐꯪꯅꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯦꯁ ꯇꯧꯍꯟꯈꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯆꯞ ꯆꯥꯅꯁꯨ ꯑꯦꯛꯖꯥꯝ ꯇꯥꯏꯃꯤꯡꯁꯨ ꯁꯨꯡꯁꯣꯏ ꯁꯣꯏꯗꯅ ꯐꯖꯅ ꯇꯧꯍꯟꯈꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ.
Speaking on the sideline, Minister Yumnam Khemchand gave assurance to declare the final result of RD and PR office assistant and stenographer soon after getting an approval from the Department of Personnel. He continued that the practice of corruption during government job recruitment hurt the morale of youths, eventually leading them to the wrong path. And for the same reason, the department initiated computerized system of job recruitment to ensure free and fair result of recruitment exams. He also informed that candidates could also check their written examination result by paying a sum of rupees 300. On the other hand, the Chief Secretary M.H. Khan expressed belief that the initiative will also help in bringing good governance in the state.
Senja tumja tawusina afabangang singi moral mang duaina tokulakpa aigi imasi aigi pasi aigi thabak hapagi paisa piningai leite haina khallakanda frustration lagna like tamningdaba aduna aran belambi de sakhidna drug sawi masing hingalaiba punamaksi thengnabada yamna free and fair oina agi angang phabak khanbagi train ama hawdokpagi tanjaduni lawjerise stenographer gidi ngasimak result si final oigiroi maramdi computer speed to the final dorani duga shorthand ama yawbonina shorthand test to the shorthand gi oja singni yengadobonina nongni matam lawboni yarigai thuna haidokna honagari dp na thabak haidokpa loinamak athingba leibonina ekoi loisallaga dp ayaba hek yawbaga haidokani.
Chief Minister Nongthoan Biren says it is right time to shift our focus towards natural farming by using animal waste and doing away with chemical fertilizers. Chief Minister Nongthoan Biren was addressing the inauguration of two-day-long Desi Cow Mela, which was organized by Veterinary and Animal Husbandry at Oinam Sagol Kangjebung Lampak in Vishnupur district today. Nongthoan Biren further said that government is taking steps to stop the clearance of the forests and hills to grow poppy plants on the pretext of June cultivation. He sought the support of people in preventing self-interested people who are trying to destroy the state.
Sanjabung oina PBU, sina football ground oina PBU aina, lady wa mafam sing se, atu wa matamda local MLA, circle MLA mayang watana birakanda proposal thagat piro, madu akoigi premium relax tawre herga, exam tawre herga, madu Sanjabung oina preserve tawna ba, aduga Sanabung oina preserve tawna ba, Kangjebung oina preserve tawna ba comment dagi, ataba mamalda, even premium lupa mamam kata oina mamingi oina lawra su, kunja sing the pina na ba koi tawla kuchar.
Also speaking on the occasion, Veterinary and Animal Husbandry Minister Kashim Vasum said the government is working for the welfare of people. He sought the support of people in government's effort to save the indigenous and domesticated cattle. About 100 stalls are showcasing indigenous breed of cows found in the state in the fair. PWD Minister K. Govindas, Education Minister T.H. Vasanta, Forest Minister Vishwajit, Health Minister Dr. Ranjan, Oinamed MLA I. Nalini attended the program.
Manipur no natre anova Manipur ne. Hojik sasan sida animals sida mayam se domestic animals se su wakhan leiduna ekhoigi veterinary hospital sananung leba hospital atusu 24/7 service period of Membu Seva Togi, but Dr. Singh Mayam the Su, Honorable Jimmy Sergi, Mamang the Takaba from Dr.
President of MPCC and Wangkhem constituency, MLA K. Meghachandra, says Arong River will be distilled through MLA Local Area Development Fund, MG Narega Fund, Water Resources Fund from the Fund from PHED in order to solve water scarcity faced by people of Charangpat. MLA said this during a meeting that was attended by Deputy Commissioner of Thoubal District A. Subas, BDO of Lilong CD Block, officials of PHED, Water Resources along with representative of local clubs and organizations. He further added that despite the existence of a three water supply scheme in Charangpat Mamang Lekai, Charangpat Mayai Lekai and Charangpat Maning Lekai, people could not get water as there are no sources of water. Therefore, there is a need to dig the Arong River in order to solve the water problem. Imphal West District Police today interrupted women vendors of Kwakaithil Bazaar from staging protest demonstrations to demand the government on withdrawal of suspension of Operation Sue against agreement signed between the Government of India, Manipur government and Kuki militant groups. It is learned that as women folk were preparing to stage demonstration at Kwakaithil Bazaar this morning, team of district police arrived at the scene and started removing banners by saying that a VIP is passing along the road and CRPC 144 is being imposed in the area. Police personnel also informed the women to take permission from relevant DC and hold the protest. Following which, arguments started between police and women folk. Later, additional police force, including women personnel, arrived at the site and assisted the situation.
Manipur da haurakliba ekhoi ija isu mayam je leifam leiraroi haibagi damakta mama singje siba na ba ki dana chongthorakpani aduga kuki singna tawrakliba moigi loop sing ase haidi Manipur da ya sengba pokba Machana Torum Lagadi, a coach carab, Penga the Nadu Hojik the Madu Oidre, Makoya Sequina Tigalubakanda, Menmar the Pogba, cookie sing oiramle, Aduna Quena Sarkat hygienic body, Mitom Masak Handok view, Mitom na Mafamasida, Lupki Makoko Henbigano, Haibasi Harga Quena be in the hygienic body, Lupki, Mako Resense, Mapan Yamino Henbigano.
I the Shumadugi like May Shu withdraw to Hypnotida. So suspension of operation Adam Tobu, Tobudabu Mapangi, Indian citizen Nataba Migadi to Viganu, Indian citizen Nataba Yohan Biganu, Hibanaduga suspension withdraw to Hibanatada. My Mapangi mission to Yohanganu Hibanato. Just central government I can bet over.
Demanding Scheduled Tribe status for Meitei Meitei community, Scheduled Tribe Demand Committee members and representative of civil society organizations today visited the officials' quarter of Mayang Imphal MLA K. Robindro in Babupara and submitted a memorandum. MLA Robindro shows his support for the demand by saying that it is legit. Scheduled Tribe Demand Committee has so far submitted similar memorandums to 24 MLAs.
Lady Jati Kurimaki lady, but we are season lady, Amagi Magi, Lenting Naga, Apagi, community, City, Naga, Chetari, Elements in Manipuri present in a farm, Kuli, man say, Adoba, the record is to wherever support of the agency, son of man, probably came to you in Lapena. They made a move with the agency, Ansingi, Manipuri present, and now look for out and support of the Niduga, Adunga, Rudum, and support of the Adua, Sigi. Chathariba, Hongding Sida Nataga, the Mansida, Atoko Pagaki, Matokaba, Hansing Praja Singi, Adum Dimanto for the Asian Soldiers again.
Students of CI College Vishnupur locked down the administration block and college gate against the transfer of one teacher of Geography Department, CI College. Students decried that the college is already facing teacher shortage issue. Students demanded relevant authorities to revoke the transfer order immediately and meeting the requirement of teachers.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯍꯥꯡꯗꯨꯅ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯣꯖꯥ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯃꯊꯪ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯥꯟꯁꯐꯔ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯒꯦ ꯑꯣꯖꯥ ꯑꯋꯥꯠꯄ ꯄꯤꯕꯤꯌꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯃꯍꯨꯠꯇ ꯑꯣꯖꯥ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯥꯟꯁꯐꯔ ꯃꯊꯪ ꯁꯨꯝ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯔꯛꯄꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯥꯇ꯭ꯔꯁꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯏꯀꯩꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯀꯟꯅ ꯌꯥꯖꯅꯤꯡꯗꯦ ꯃꯔꯝꯗꯤ ꯁꯤ ꯀꯣꯂꯦꯖ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯃꯨꯠꯊꯠꯂꯁꯅꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯏꯖꯨꯀꯦꯁꯟ ꯗꯤꯄꯥꯔꯠꯃꯦꯟ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯀꯃꯤꯁꯅꯔ ꯗꯤꯔꯦꯛꯇꯔ ꯌꯥꯎꯅ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯒ꯭ꯔꯥꯝ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯆꯠꯊꯔꯛꯄ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯁꯤ ꯀꯣꯂꯦꯖꯀꯤ ꯃꯥꯏꯀꯩꯗꯒꯤ ꯌꯥꯅꯤꯡꯗꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯥꯏꯠꯇꯒꯤ ꯐꯣꯡꯗꯣꯛꯆꯔꯤ ꯔꯤꯂꯤꯁ ꯑꯣꯔꯗꯔ ꯌꯥꯎꯗꯅ ꯑꯣꯖꯥ ꯃꯦꯗꯥꯝ ꯑꯦꯟ ꯕꯦꯝꯆꯥꯅ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ NG ꯀꯣꯂꯦꯖꯇ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯖꯣꯏꯟ ꯇꯧꯈꯤꯕꯒꯤ ꯄꯥꯎ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯐꯪꯖꯕꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯉꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯏꯍꯧꯁꯦ ꯍꯧꯖꯔꯛꯄꯅꯤ ꯃꯁꯤꯗꯩꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯔꯀꯥꯔꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯏꯀꯩꯗꯒꯤ ꯂꯩꯉꯥꯛꯀꯤ ꯃꯥꯏꯀꯩꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯗ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯠꯌꯦꯡꯁꯦ ꯌꯦꯡꯁꯤꯟꯕꯤꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯁꯣꯏꯔꯤꯕꯁꯤ ꯀꯔꯤꯗꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯨ ꯊꯤꯒꯠꯄꯤꯗꯨꯅ CI ꯀꯣꯂꯦꯖ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯀꯟꯕꯤꯅꯕ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯕꯤꯌꯨ.
Well, now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on coronavirus cases in India and abroad. We will be back with details after the break. Until then, keep watching Impact News.
Touch the pinnacles of success for your children. Get enrolled to one of the finest schools in Northeast India, UNESCO School. Excellence in Education.
8. Nurturing the Youths. Apex Institute Manipur Kangabam Lekai behind Vigo Hotel na Class 10 HSLC Exam 2023 gi Numid Humfuni gi Intensive Revision Course Lakib December gi Tang Kuni Twigi Nungdin Pung Mari Makai gi Trade Makai Fau Bhog Jeragani Hai Shinglaba Oja Kaya na subjects suna takpa da natana day boarding amadi event service khudong chawa su thamjiri Agak naba Sydney Sipnatagi Lupa Lishing Tara Humdoi Khaktamak Thibiraga khudong chawa singa silawi ho Akupa Marong Gidamak 961 222 777 Natraga Office Lengbi Rakna Khambi Biagani
Presto Personalized Wonders, Imfalda Nauna Hangdok Cherry, Heidi Basida, Personalized Gifts, Corporate Gifts, Awards and Mementos, Home Decor, Office Rubber Stamp Nachingba, Potlam Singh, Mafam Asida Pangbigani, Nasi Maglangsing Birau, Tilak Ras Enterprises, Presto, Tangal Bazar near Kasturi Tong, Imphal. Contact number 0385-244-9025 Natraga 98621-00456.
English Bulletin. India added 2,000 new COVID-19 cases and 5 deaths in last 24 hours. As per the latest report of Union Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, India's COVID-19 active cash load stands at 3,767. That toll stands at 5,30,663. Over 219 crore 98 lakh doses of COVID-19 vaccine have been administered in India so far. Manipur reported no new positive cases of COVID-19 nor COVID-19 related fatalities in the last 24 hours. That toll remains at 2,149. Positive case in the state stands at 1,39,922. Globally, coronavirus has infected above 65 crore 57 lakh 82,000 people. It has claimed above 66 lakh 65,000 people and recoveries are above 63 crore 2 lakh 92,000. United States of America has the highest active cases of above 17 lakh 77,000 in the world. The death toll in Hajj tragedy in Sarand district of Bihar reaches 39 as 3 more people have died. Maximum 23 deaths have been reported in Mashrak block, while the remaining 14 casualties have been formed Isaupur, Amanor and Maharor areas of the district. As per media report, casualties are likely to rise as 19 people are undergoing treatment at various hospitals, with 6 of them in serious condition. Some people have also lost their eyesight. Sarand District Magistrate Rajesh Meena said raids are being conducted to nab the culprits engaged in spurious liquor trade. Mr. Meena said 30 people have been taken into police custody for interrogation. The SOH and the Chowkidar of Mashrak police station have been suspended for negligence of their duties. Chief Minister Nitish Kumar said those responsible for making spurious liquor will be severely punished. Meanwhile, senior BJP leader and MP Sushil Kumar Modi alleged over 1,000 people have lost their life in state due to spurious liquor after prohibition. Khwaramban Kaithil Saktam Amadi Sinfam Kanbalupt. President T.H. Santi urged all so-called leaders of Khwaramban market to stop forming new different groups and creating problems. Speaking to media today at Khwaramban market in Imphal, Santi accused some people for trying to misinterpret the image of Khwaramban market groups through wrong propaganda and making the public confused. She also clarified that the reports on dividing vending spaces at the three markets and newly built marketplace were baseless. Santi urged the state government to solve the prevailing issues of street vendors.
सरकार की ओइबा करिगुंबी अमत चे अथोकपा अमत लैत्री लोटरी की चे अथोकपासु लैत्री पीरनी सिदैदा सोइदना नुमित सिदा तौरनी हाइबा चेसु लैत्री मसिदैदा मोइना नन लोकेल सिंदगी अखोइना दुकान से योले मयामदा संतोइबा वाचे अखोइना सेंगदोंनिंगिसिना अखोइसे करी अथॉरिटी लैदना आइना पोफम कनादा पिबा ngamdoino मागी दुकान दि तोखरो फामिबा पोफम से इंची अमा खकफौ मसागी लेजरम सेतगी आइना हाइदोक्तन मी अमत द पिबा ngamगी शक्ति लैते अखोइसे कतरी ओरसो अदुगा लाना लाना संतोकपसिगुम से तौबिगनु हाइबसिने आइना हाइजनिंगिसे सेट खुदिंगी मसित लुप मचा मयाम सेमपा सिना मरो कथेनजे इरांग याम थोलेबा
Vice President of BJP Manipur Pradesh and a former MLA of Wangoi, Oinam Lukhoi, today inspected all the road repairing works currently undergoing in Wangoi constituency. While inspecting the road stretching from Samuro Oinam Leirak to Samuro Lai Leirak, where WBM is being put in place, MLA instructed contractors to maintain quality control and to make the road long-lasting. District Legal Services Authority Imphal West organized a one-day legal awareness come Justa Causa 2022 launch and orientation program at ADR complex in Lamphel Court. Speaking on the occasion, Chairman of District Legal Services Authority Imphal West Ariband Guneshwar said the program was part of the series of legal awareness carried out by District Legal Services Authority. The month-long Justa Causa 2022 is being organized in the interest of law students so that they can get exposure to various cases and the way to handle them. 15 teams consisting of law students are taking part in Justa Causa 2022. Chief Judicial Magistrate Imphal West Jungoland Hawkipt were among the other eminent persons who attended the program.
Law Satra Singda, Moina Tami, but theory is a practical law, practical science, I am practice or any mana logo, Tamabuda, practical site, Sangba, law, practical site, combined to we have to Moina Satra or Gaida, Adu Hatangi, Kanava, Kano, Manimasi, Project Manianova, Makali, Aruga, Masida, Moina, Sariba report Sida, Yamna, Kanava, Yauragati, Society, the Sukana Hudova.
District Administration Farzol today carried out 6 District Held Leaders Day and Miyamgi Numit at DC Office Complex in Farzol headquarter. DC Farzol Halian Lal Guite, IAS, who attended the program, listened to grievances of people. The DC also distributed water pump set, mustard seeds, pesticide, textbooks and school uniforms to selected beneficiaries during the program. Health Department also organized Eat Right Mela and Eat Right Walkathon alongside carrying out awareness program. District Administration Jiribam also held Miyamgi Numit at Jiribam DC Complex in Chingdong, Laikai. 19 stalls of various departments including health, social welfare, fisheries, horticulture and soil conservation, agriculture, sericulture, MSPD, CL, PWD, CAF and PD, veterinary and animal husbandry were put up at the venue. Officials of respective department noted down grievances of locals during Miyamgi Numit. District Held Leaders Day and Miyamgi Numit were held in None District today. District Administration None organized a program at multi-purpose hall in Longmai Tree, None. Benefits and assistance were provided to people through 15 stalls opened by department including education, health, CAF and PD, forest, social welfare, NIC. Manipur Police Department informed that physical efficiency tests for recruitment of different posts in the department will be held from December 16 at various venues. Press release from the department further informed physical efficiency test for follower mailed PET will be conducted at Manipur Police Training College, Pangai, Police Constable mailed civil and at 2nd Manipur Rifled Ground and at 2nd Battalion Manipur Rifled for Head Constable. After a hiatus of around 2 years owing to COVID-19 pandemic, cataract operation was conducted successfully on 6 patients free of cost at Thoubal District Hospital. Thoubal DC Ahantem Subhash today distributed glasses to the patients who underwent cataract surgeries yesterday. National Program for Control of Blindness and Visual Impairment, Thoubal Nodal Officer Dr. K.S.S. Memcha encouraged those who are likely to be affected by cataract to get themselves tested at the nearest community health centers or district hospitals and availed free surgery and medicine. "230 beneficiaries from the Moirang Kuno Gram Panchayat and the Kha Thinungai Gram Panchayat received funds for old age pension and widow pension to district benefits transfer after it was pending for about 10 months. Pensions were distributed during a program organized by District Social Welfare Office Vishnupur as part of Go to Village Mission 1.0 and 2.0 in Moirang Kuno Thokchom Leikai Community Hall today. Our Lady of Lotus Church and at Monsang, Pantha, Chandel District Headquarters celebrated its Golden Jubilee. Archbishop of Imphal D.D. Reverend Dominic Lumond unveiled a memorial stone during the event held on the themed "Glorify the Lord for His Blessings." People from various communities in Chandel took part in the celebration. The program also highlighted release of souvenir and cultural programs. Sinam Tonu Babu Memorial International Award 2022 will be conferred to Mutum Ramani, a resident of Kaisampat Thokchom Leikai. This was announced by Manipuri Short Story Social India General Secretary Sarat Thokchom during a press meet held at Old Jiribam Working Journalist Union office in Babupara of Jiribam District. Speaking to media, Sarat informed that the annual 3-day-long General Conference of the Manipuri Short Story Society India will be held at Slade and Banugash in Bangladesh, during which Sinam Tonu Babu Memorial International Award 2022 will be handed over to Ramani. A 45-minute-long short film titled Lembi Laima of Chikada Filmed Production has won many awards at various film festivals. Speaking to media today at Poker Test in Sagolband Bainolarak Machin, actor and filmmaker Biju Thangjam said that the film won Best Actress, Best Indian Film Awards in the Diamond Belt International Film Festival 2022 held at Chennai on December 9th, alongside winning Best Actress, Best Indian Film and Best Supporting Actor awards at the KIFF International Film Festival Chennai on December 12th, and also winning Best Northeast Indian Film and Best Actress award in the first Northeast India International Film Festival 2022. The film features Bala, Biju, Konikar and Niranjoy.
Lembi Laima se yamna top tonganba film amane masi long short film ne 45 minutes ki aduga akhoi Manipuri film da husik phawda in the sense id stories me amlei matam da content me amlei bise akhoi yengraba ugraba adungu bagi kitang phawidana Lembi Laima jidana thaina pingai da guitar pa wari me amazu mythologically folktales aduga ju kitang connect oiba plus modernized oiba haidi yam contemporary oiba wari oigani masi tungda ju akhoi by 2023 akhoi festival mayam atei da ju official entry oina chatpagi adungumba hope tilei.
Manipuri short film EY, The Ripper, directed by Vishwamitra, was screened today at Cumex Cinema in Kakwa. The film has won different awards at the national and international level. Samir Thangjamd is the producer of EY. Nongdold Mamikold conducted the special screening event. In connection with this, Cumex Cinema proprietor Eld Roshan said that Cumex Cinema has started screening Manipuri cinema as well as films from different countries.
Mapalam gi cinema yengning du maina akhoi gi cinema ju mapanda yenghanba yabagi facilities to aina uning jabane haitare adi akhoina sida wakhanda de akhona manipur rang manipur cinema je ka pe yai khanba ado PVR gumba inos gumba mapanda stop leiba station ju ka pe yai kalbodu akhoi gi cinema namiba scope haibadi format haibatare siji mapalam da paliba aigi sta paliba project asi compatible oiragadi akhoina du insist tawraga si kapiu khopiu haibagi moi category myam le norms myam le wai sanam matungina agreement myam le adu matuni mon ka pe yaba ngatane adu itargadi ki Manipur leba cinema sisu mapalam da puthogadi khitang chakhut kadra haibagi ni Manipur da khak chakhut pagi natabada adu da khallaga le trial oina koina sitok jabane.
Now the news from the world of sports. Kaisamthong Kendra Kankut will play against Oinam Kendra Kankut in the final of the 4th Oinam Charlie Memorial League Cup Knockout Kendra Wise Kang tournament on December 18. Today is the second semi-final of the tournament at the Chingamathak Kangshang in Imphal. Oinam Kendra Kankut defeated Kundrapum Kendra Kankut in 29-17. Altogether 11 Kankut from different constituencies of Manipur participated in the tournament organized by Singjamai Kankut with the sponsorship of Oinam Charlie Memorial Trust. In 19th Manipur Veteran Cricket Tournament being played at Lukar Ground in Lamshang constituency, Cyclone Thangwaiban defeated Model Club Chingamaka by 4 wickets. Batting first, Model Club Chingamaka made 139 runs in the given 30 overs by losing 7 wickets. In reply, Cyclone Thangwaiban chased down the target of 140 with the loss of 6 wickets in 29 overs, thus defeating Model Club Chingamaka by 4 wickets. All-rounder KSS Vikram of Cyclone Thangwaiban was adjudged the man of the match. YWC Langtabal will take on KCC Kongba in the next match tomorrow. Southern Sporting Union Singjamai defeated Neroka Football Club Sangakphamt 1-0 in the last league match of 13th Loktak Trophy being organized by Old Moirang Football Association at Hemam Nilamani Ngangkalaikai Playground. Robert Ushamd of SSU Singjamai secured the lone goal in the 15th minute of the match. Southern Sporting Union Singjamai will face Sagolban United in the first semi-final of Loktak Trophy on December 19, while Khalsha Football Club KANEL and Old Moirang Football Association will lock horn in the second semi-final on December 20. The trophy is sponsored by National Hydropower Corporation Limited Power Station. Well, that's all we have in this bulletin, but before we wind up, let's take a glimpse at the headlines once again. Chief Minister Nongtom Ambirin launches Chief Minister's menstrual hygiene scheme and Chief Minister gi mitki lying to improve healthcare services in the state. Chief Minister Nongtom Ambirin warns environmentalists, NGO and activists who received foreign funds under false pretext of conserving Loktak League. Rural Development and Panchayat Raj Government of Manipur starts using computerized system in job recruitment initiative taken under RD and PR Minister Y. Kim John to keep a check on corruption. And that toll in Hajj tragedy in Saran district of Bihar amounts to 39. Senior BJP leader Sushil Kumar Modi alleges over 1,000 people lost lives in Bihar due to furious meteor after competition. Thank you so much for being with us. Coming up next is a prime-timed Manipuri Bulletin. In the meantime, for more news and information, please do not hesitate to follow Impact TV on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram and YouTube. Until then, have a great evening and always stay safe.